Ideas to boost profits in affiliate marketing. Maybe you've heard of people earning huge amounts of money on affiliate marketing. However, if you haven't seen those kinds of earnings yourself, it's easy to feel like those kinds of profits are just a fantasy. This video will help you turn all your affiliate marketing daydreams into reality. Here are some tips to get you started. When placing affiliate marketing links on your blog page, consider using the advertising hotspots. These include the top left corner of your site, the end of your posts, and even contextual links in your posts. The easier it is for people to find and click on your affiliate links, the more money you will earn. Check the company's reputation. Working with a company who has a bad reputation is pretty obviously a bad idea, but dig a little deeper to see how their underlying reputation looks. They may have undisclosed issues, like a lawsuit that hasn't made the news yet. You don't want to affiliate yourself with a company that will, in the end, damage your reputation as well. Separate your task lists so that you do not become confused or bogged down while working as an affiliate. Personal matters can sometimes get in the way of affiliate marketing, especially if you allow them to bleed over into your work. Make sure you're doing your best to keep these two worlds from colliding. One great way to always stay ahead of the game in affiliate marketing is to be among the first people to advertise a newly released product. To stay ahead of the game and to promote products before the market becomes saturated, check out various large companies, like ClickBank, and find out about new products. Making a good living off of affiliate marketing isn't just a dream. It's something that people do every day. With the tips in this video, you'll be able to join the many others who make great money through affiliate marketing. All you have to do is put these suggestions into practice. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.